Alright, now this one gets a little bit nastier. Um, what we can do right away is simplify the secant over cosine, because this is 1 over cosine x over cosine. That looks like that could be simplified a little bit further. And this is 1 over sine x over sine. So now if we simplify this, this would be 1 over cosine x divided by cosine. And over here we have 1 over sine x divided by sine x. Now, when we're dividing, we're multiplying by the reciprocal, so that's 1 over cosine x times 1 over cosine x plus 1 over sine x times 1 over sine x. So 1 times 1 is 1. Cosine times cosine is cosine squared. 1 times 1 is 1. Sine times sine is sine squared. Now we have to add these. So when we're adding, we need a common denominator. So we have cosine squared x, sine squared x as our common denominator. So if I had to multiply this by sine, I have to multiply the numerator times sine. If I had to multiply this by cosine, I multiply the numerator times cosine. So sine squared plus cosine squared, again, is 1 over our denominator. Now 1 over cosine squared is secant squared x. 1 over sine squared is cosecant squared x. So once we get there, we're done. Alright, last problem of the day. We have, we want to multiply this out. Sine theta minus cosecant theta times sine theta minus cosecant theta. Now if we multiply this out, sine times sine is sine squared theta. This would be a minus sine theta cosecant theta. This would be another minus sine theta cosecant theta. And then this would be a plus cosecant squared theta. Now, sine times cosecant, that's like sine times 1 over sine. So sine times 1 over sine is going to cancel out. So we have sine squared theta minus, this is the same thing as 1, minus another 1 plus cosecant squared theta. Now if we look at this, cosecant squared minus 1, if we subtract 1 from both sides, is equal to cotangent squared. So this part is equal to plus cotangent squared theta. Now, sine squared minus 1, if we get sine squared minus 1, well, if we subtract 1 on both sides, that doesn't get sine squared minus 1 alone, so we have to subtract cosine squared on both sides. So that cancels out. We have sine squared minus 1 equals negative cosine squared theta. So now we got our answer, and we're done. Now this is your homework for tomorrow. Good luck.